This is a lesson about positive and negative numbers. So, on a number line, we start at a point 0, and going right, we have positive numbers that get bigger, and going left, we have negative numbers that get smaller. So, we're all familiar with numbers greater than 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But on the other side of 0, there are numbers that are negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so forth. And these numbers with the purple arrow get smaller as they go further left. So, what we find is that if we have a situation like 4, and we want to go -2, we would start here at 4 and go 1, 2, and we end up at 2. Now, if we wanted to start at 2 and go -4, we'd jump 4 back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And look where we end up. We end up at -2. So all the number line teaches us is how to use positive and negative numbers together to find our place on this number line. Let's try another example. Let us try 5 plus 3. So if we start at 5 and we go 3, 1, 2, 3, we get 8. On the other hand, if we started out at 4 and go -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we end up at -2. Now, what happens if there's a negative to begin with? So what if we have -3 and we want to add 2? So we start off at -3, 1, 2, and we do end up at -1. And that is our number that we're looking for when we add -3 to +2. All of this is using the number line, and as you become more familiar, you'll figure out how to use it to calculate something like this without using this number line. So let's try one more example. This time, let's use 2 negative numbers. So what if we had -5 minus 2? So let's start at -5. And then we want to go -2 spaces. So we go 1, 2. And we end up at -7. So using the number line is quite easy, and if you practice more with it and use this jumping method, you're going to find it easy as well.